Hi, Cassie.
Hi, Mommy.
Tomorrow is your 5th birthday. How do you feel?
I feel excited.
Yeah?
Or let's go play a game about. I I will I will say yes, no, or maybe, and you say questions.
Pinoy Henyo?
Person, place, or
Things, food, like that. Sige, we can play that later. But for now, I'm gonna ask you questions muna, okay?
yeah.
Okay. So, where are you right now?
I'm at.
Are you in the Philippines?
No.
Where are you?
I'm at Hong Kong.
Wow! Why are we here?
To
What are we visiting?
We're visiting the hotel,
The hotel, and tomorrow we'll go to?
the Disneyland.
Wow!
And I will wear my Elsa dress. It covers my feet.
Okay, that's great. So, you're turning 5 years old na.
Yeah.
Can you tell me your favorite memory?
My favorite memory.
When you were a kid, were smaller baby?
I wanna
What do you remember?
I remember that when I was a small baby, you gave me a cupcake. Cupcake.
Did that make you happy?
Yes. And you say cupcake.
Wow. So what's your favorite place that we visited before?
My favorite place is the airport.
Airport? Wow.
Yes.
Why?
It's because there's an airplane and I love to enjoy it. Because I want to see the earth.
Oh, okay. How about places in the Philippines?
Places
What's your favorite place to go in the Philippines?
in the Philippines.
Yeah.
The other side.
Yeah.
My favorite place is going to Mika.
Their house.
Yes.
Oh, what else? What park or city?
Oh, my favorite part is the city. This I want.
Do you like the beach or Baguio? What's your favorite one?
Baguio.
Baguio.
Because they're full of sunflowers and even pink flowers or green flower
Wow.
or even red flowers.
Red flowers. Okay. Yeah, we'll come back there soon. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. How about your memory with Daddy? What's your favorite memory that makes you happy when you remember?
With Daddy,
Mm-mm.
my favorite part that I remember is when I was born, when I was a baby. I was standing up, then Daddy was holding my hand when it was morning. And you
Oh.
were just and half of us are here.
We're with you.
Yeah, well, when Daddy was a bata, I'm still not born.
How about with Mamila and other people? What's your favorite memory that makes you
With
happy?
Mamila, my favorite memory is when I was a baby. Mamila was holding me when I was asleep.
Oh, that's so nice. That's so nice. How about with Ate Mika?
Oh, with my favorite memory with Ate Mika is playing with her toys and play with her car.
Oh, yeah.
And it has a cooking place.
Oh. And Ate Amanda too?
Si Ate Amanda wala ng toy. Only drawing lang.
Toy din yun. Okay. Who's your best friend right now?
Right now, that I remember, favorite best friend is Mika going to her house, and Ate Manda will. I want Ate Manda to come too.
Okay. So, how about your favorite food that you always want to eat?
Yeah, my favorite food is noodles.
Noodles.
Yes, and the sour pancit.
Ah, okay. Okay. So, you're 5 years old right now, no? When you grow up, what job do you want to have? What do you want to be? Do you want to be an actress or a singer or an office worker? What do you want to be?
Office worker.
Office worker?
Yeah,
Like?
like I can bring my laptop.
So you wanna be like mommy?
You want to be like me?
Yeah. Oh,
Mm.
and let's play game.
Wait, let's finish this first, okay?
Okay.
Alright. Oh, what else do you want to be aside from being an office worker?
I also wanna be a doctor too.
Wow, because?
It's because when I wanna be a doctor, I have my doctor skills.
Wow. And what do you wanna help people? What,
Yes, I wanna help.
Aw.
Oh,
Mm.
mommy. And when I was a baby,
Mm.
nalabas ako sa tiyan mo.
Yeah.
Or,
Ah, yeah, tama.
and you, and then na-check up ako. Na-check up ako when I was a baby.
Mhm. Oh, last na. Before you go, stay mo na ikaw ha. Oh, what do you wanna tell mommy? What's your message for mommy and what's your message for daddy?
Oh, my message for you is, what is a message?
Like, what do you wanna tell me?
Oh,
You wanna say thank you or I love you and or whatever on your
mommy,
Mm.
my Elsa dress that you buy is beautiful.
Aww.
That's my favorite.
That's your message for me?
Yeah. And Daddy,
Ah.
when I wear that short dress, that blue one, I still wanna wear it if it's another birthday that's Elsa.
Okay. Oh, what else do you wanna tell us?
What that sign over there? That has a circle and
I'll check it later, okay? Oh, what about your message to Mamila?
Oh,
If you
my-
wanna tell Mamila.
yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I tell Mamila that she buy me some lotion,
Uh-huh. So you wanna thank her?
and she buy me some bango na galon.
So you wanna thank her? Say thank you.
Thank you. Okay.
Okay.
Wish.
Now can
Oh, what's your wish na lang last? What's your wish?
my wish is I wish that I have a Zoe dress.
Zoe dress.
Until
Okay.
now.
Cause kay Ate Mika meron ng Zoe dress.
Okay. Sige. Thank you for answering my
Okay
questions.
na.
I wanna tell you I love you, Cassie.
I love you too. Advance happy birthday.
And Mommy,
Mm.
can we play game now?
Yeah, yeah.
Mm.
Say bye-bye to the video.
Bye.